Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sort your Feedly articles by what's trending. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sort your Feedly articles based on what has been shared the most. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But when you go into Feedly, you can see that there's these gray numbers here. This indicates how many times this article has been shared, and this is how I have my sorting option actually sorted out by, which is the most shares on top and the least shares on bottom. Now, in order to actually go ahead and sort by what's trending, you need to click on your profile name on the upper left-hand corner and then click on Settings. Afterwards, you want to click on General, and then from here, you're going to see this default sort option where the tooltip says that you can change the sort setting of all your feeds and boards. You want to change this to most popular and latest. So that is essentially going to align with what's trending out there on your Feedly articles. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sort your Feedly articles based on what's trending. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.